guys, this is our last sample problem from the Fluid Mechanics and Hydraulics, Chapter 8, Open Channel. A rectangular, concrete channel, 18 meter wide, is to carry water at the rate of 18 cubic meter per second. If the channel slope is 0.0025, determine the normal depth of flow. Use roughness coefficient n is equals to 0.015. Here, which is a rectangular channel, identifying our given Q is equals to 18 cubic meter per second is equals to 0.00025. Area is base times the diameter is equals to 15 times D. Equals to area over pressure is equals to 15D over 15 plus 2D. Since P is equals to B times 2D is equals to 0.015. For our solution, we are going to use the formula for rectangular channel equals to A multiplied by 1 over N times R raised to 2/3 times S raised to 1/2. Use plugging in all the numbers, we can get 18 is equals to 15D multiplied by 1 over 0.015 times 15D over 15D plus 2D raised to 2/3 times S, which is 0.0025 raised to 1/2. We can get 1.14 is equals to D multiplied to 15D over 15 plus 2D raised to 2/3. Get 1.1450 meter. Thank you everyone for listening. I hope you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We hope that you have learned something from us. See you once again.